Abdul Rahman from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I have a question. Okay. Sheikh, I am a second son in my home. From 2017 to 2020, I kept the salary with me for my savings because my father taken care of my family expenses till 2020. On 2020, suddenly he went lost in business. So he had some debt amount which he took for his business. So I paid the debt amount with my Zakat money on 2021. Is this valid, Sheikh?
This is an issue of dispute among scholars. The majority of scholars say that Zakat money cannot be given to your parents or your children because it's mandatory upon you to provide for them. However, some scholars say that paying off legitimate debts of your parents or of your children from your Zakat money is permissible because you're not obliged in Sharia to provide for them their debts or to pay off their debts. So my father, I'm obliged to feed him, I'm obliged to put a roof on his head, to clothe him, to pay for him his medical bills. This is my responsibility to my father and towards my children as well. But if one of my children got into business or he has debts and those who gave him the debt are on his door knocking day and night and calling the police to arrest him, they say, the scholars, that paying off his debt from your Zakat or from your own money is not your responsibility. So if you give him from your Zakat money, this is permissible, inshallah, and Allah knows best.